All right, here's the big reveal. Washed, dried, bound. It did crinkle. I didn't think it would crinkle this much because I really quilted the heck out of it, but it did. But here's some of the quilting. Beautiful heart. Came out lovely. I don't know how to have it not crinkle. I'm assuming, and maybe wrongfully so, that you pre-shrink everything. Maybe starch it. I don't know. I'm going to start asking around. But it does look beautiful. It is lovely. And I did learn something. There is merit to burying your threads. Why, you may ask? Let me find a place here. You see these little blue, here it is. See this little blue spot right there? See these little specks all over the quilt. And I was like, what is that? And it was the knots. So, burying the knots, I'll probably become a knot barrier. But anyway, here it is. I hung it up here as much as possible so that I don't have a wall really to be able to hang it. I'll put it on the floor and do something here. Hold on. Okay, here it is on the floor. It's 64 by 80. It's a nice size quilt. I really am going to enjoy this a lot. And here's the back. Hold on. There's the backing. You can zoom in on your phone, probably. Here it is. See, you can see all the threads. I've got to trim all that extra threadage, but it did turn out lovely. I will say that. I'm real happy with it. I did learn some things, like I want to pre-shrink. If I'm going to do that many feathers, I want to see them, and maybe I won't use linen, but this is linen with cotton cross stitch, all linen top and cotton backing. So there was some mixing of so yeah, it turned out the best it could possibly be. It's gorgeous with cotton batting, one layer of cotton batting, and it's heavy enough. It's warm and yummy, and I love it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Goes on that chair. Love it. This is the blue room. Looking out the lake. Love it. Gonna love it. Winter time, here it comes. Well, we're getting into summer, but anyway, it's still a nice, happy quilt. Very happy with it. And I hope you are too. Thanks so much for working with me on it. And we're going to start the Lori Holt Prairie Meadow coming up.